Meet Eno, also known as Yamanson. Now, she's in the bus looking at something. Well, maybe she's trying to check if the bus conductor will keep her bag safe.
Jesus is Lord!
Wait, Eno is rather staring at someone. And who is that person? Ooh, Papaya, the jealous papa in the building. Then definitely, Abi, you know what happened. They became friends. And a year later, God being so good, they got admission to one university, popularly known as University of Education, Kumasi campus, and which is now independently known as Jesus.
Continue.
Akenta Piamenka, University of Skills Training and Entrepreneur Development. So they became good friends in school. Life was so smooth for them. They even learned together, though they were not in the same class.
Aww.
Now, before we move on, meet Paa Reuben, the lonely papa. Paa Reuben is always alone, and only God knows why. Well, maybe we will also find out. So one day, Eno went to him and they started vibing.
I feel good.
And guess what? Papaya was jealous, and that makes him the jealous papa. And do you know what happened? Papaya created a distance. The jealous is working in his system. So let's allow him to enjoy his moment. Meanwhile, Paa Reuben has a girlfriend, and this is the time to find out why Paa Reuben was lonely. She had misunderstanding with AC, so when he became friends with Eno, he asked her to help him settle the issues with his girlfriend.
You don't know why it's going on.
So Eno tried to explain things to Papaya, but
It is what it is. It is what it is.
She introduced Papaya to Paa Reuben about their relationship. So these two guys became friends and also learned together. So Paa Reuben advised Papaya and said,
You're a fool.
You are a fool. My brother, if you like her, just tell her and stop those unnecessary issues and focus on your studies. So when I teased Papaya about this World Cup jealousy, later, they all became friends. Paa Reuben even invited his girlfriend. And guess what? Are they going to be good friends ever after? Or is this going to collapse? Is Papaya going to express his feelings to Eno? Well, stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and let's find out in our next video. Don't forget to drop your comments, like, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.